Yeah, man, I'm really looking for like the really out there stuff, man. How about D-Bad Sound Server, Big Ladder? What could this possibly be?
Yeah, they have good latency.
Yeah, so why not? No one's here, but I mean... It seemed fun. Oh my god.
Don't be a dick today. There's no need to be a prick whenever you don't get your way. Communities are better when we all try to be nice. So even when you're mad, don't be a dick. Don't be a dick.
Well, that's a great... let's go back to the sound server. Have everything downloaded?
Sweet.
Okay, don't be a dick.
Don't be a dick today. There's no need to be a prick
oh, there's people here.
Get your way. Communities are better when we all try to be nice. So even when you're mad, don't be a dick.
This is so fucking weird. Okay, so I guess we have sounds we can play now. Typing setup and say to continue loading older sound files.
So I guess typing setup. It says you're supposed to say it in say or chat.
Oh, I think I'm typing it. I just can't. Oh, it's up there. Yeah. Like, see top left.
Oh.
Really tiny. Setup.
Whoa.
Oh my god, it's taking me somewhere.
Whoa.
Oh my god, it's downloading all these fucking sounds. I don't want these sounds. This is gonna clog up my computer.
Okay. That was weird.
That was really weird. I guess this is a place you can download a bunch of sound effects.
Interesting.
I kind of want to see what the ones I downloaded were. What do we get?
I don't know.
It's probably not going to be anything interesting. C-Strike, downloads, sounds. We have, what was the thing? D-Bad. We got two shell.
To hell.
Two hell. How's Johnny?
Johnny, you are so swell.
What the fuck?
What's mouse.wave?
Johnny, you are so swell. What?
Die Haselmaus. Ja, Ben Becker, wie würden Sie denn in diesem Fall von Stunkelsdorf entscheiden? Für die Haselmaus oder für
I
die
can't translate that. How about melons?
You are flashing your watermelons in the air like you don't care.
What the fuck is that from?
I don't know. Wait, go up. There are 3 titled jizz. Oh, there's 2 titled jizz. Go up.
Well, I'm gonna get the thing to record this window.
So let's go to jizz.
Where's Jizz?
Alphabet.
He just didn't have that. He didn't have that little bit of jizz in him today.
What the fuck?
What's jizz 2?
A little bit of what?
Jizz.
What is this? Mudbone.
$20 for some pussy? $20, baby. Your pussy got to do an impression.
What the fuck is all this? Why do you like penis that wave? I have a file on my computer.
You don't look like you love Jesus. You look like you love penis. A lot of penis.
Wow. What's orange.wave?
Where is that?
Don't worry, Guy is on orange alert and nothing will get by me, Guy.
Okay.
Popcorn?
I got a front row seat with a big tub of buttered popcorn.
What's Q&A?
I'm afraid we're gonna get something like racist.
Yeah, there is a file called racistb.wave. So let's avoid that one.
But what about penis mix?
Okay, hit it.
You look like you love penis. Penis. You love penis.
Oh my god! How about...
This is what people from 1999 thought was funny.
I still think some of it's fucking amazing.
Go to Q&A.
What's Q&A?
It's a question. Q&A.
I want to ask you a bunch of questions. I want to have them answered immediately.
What's the point of that? Look at all you... Why would a Counter-Strike server...
Why.wav.
Yeah, I agree.
Hey, DJ, keep playing that song. Oh, yeah. Oh, yo. Yeah. Oh, yo.
This is the
Okay.
bottom of the internet.
It really is. How about We Suck Too? .wave.
We suck too?
We suck, and we know it.
Alright, wait. We do countdown, we play that song, and then we end the video.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
We suck, and we know it.